Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see all your Reels history on Facebook using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and click on the menu button or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you want to click on the Reels here at the shortcuts, okay? So now click on your profile photo at the upper right corner of your screen, okay? So now here you can see all of your history. So when you click on saved, you can see your saved reels, saved audio, or saved effect. So that's it. That is how you see all your reels history on Facebook. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.